Welcome. I am wrapping the first of my Christmas presents. I got one wrapped already, so I'm going to wrap a couple more. These will have to be shipped off. These are actually for my mom. The ones that I'm wrapping now, see, it's two-sided wrapping paper, which is really pretty. The only thing I don't like is I like having the grid on the inside to help me cut, but I do like the option of having two different. Here is one, and I think I can do it. Yeah, that should work. Little wrapping tool, and I've had this for several years, so it's not as good as it used to be. I think this wrapping paper came from Sam's Club. We got several different rolls, and they're all different on the inside. And my favorite tape is this one right here, the purple Scotch. So that's a nice little seam there. That's a lot of that. Since I'm shipping these, they may not arrive intact. May get jostled around. I'll try to put some packing in there, but it'll get messed up. Dig into my sweater. Messed up a little bit right there. I like to go and give all those the crease. Because you can even crease those. It just makes it look sharper. It's a better look. Isn't that pretty wrapping paper though? Let's see if I have any ribbon that'll look good with it, because how about that? It's like a vintage, and it's going to contrast, that red and white is going to contrast really well on there. It's like a vintage looking reindeer, and this is Sam's Club ribbon as well. So Sam's Club wrapping paper, Sam's Club ribbon. Stick that one there so it rolls really well. We can just do one, or we can I did that right. You wrap around the good side first, and then on the back side is where you crisscross, just like this. Super simple. This way. Now you can just go ahead and tie your bow like this, or you can go under it under that middle piece, like that. Then you can, when you do that, it's going to scrunch up the middle. Otherwise, you would have that solid ribbon in the middle. I don't know why it did it like that, though. Oh, well. I don't want to make it too tight because I don't want to make it difficult to get off. Which one's longer? They're both the same. I didn't give myself a whole lot because I didn't want real long ribbons, or real long tails, I mean. And you can clean up the ends if you want. And cut a little V shape. I don't know what they're working at. Me, baby. Hey, shh. That's not being shush. I think there's a dog in there. Oh, I love that. That turned out really, really good. And there's the back side. Really pretty. My mom's gonna like that. Of course, you know, go ahead and smash it down. It's gonna be in a box, mushed up, so this is all I've gotten her so far. I don't know if I'll get anything else or not. That is just barely too small. That stinks. I mean, just barely. I think we're losing a tool. Do I keep throwing it? Yeah, I keep throwing it where it belongs. I have barely gotten any Christmas shopping done. I do have stuff coming, but you know how slow shipping is right now, and I just ordered some stuff from one company. Well, I ordered some stuff from TU, and there's no guarantee that it's going to get here by Christmas. And I tried to upgrade the shipping, but because of certain things that I ordered, they were ineligible for the express shipping, so I may not get it till January. They say December 16th through January something. I was like, really? But I went ahead and ordered. I should have already had stuff ordered, but I am not on the ball this year, you guys. I decided to do that inside. I think that'll be pretty next to each other. But I do need to get these done and shipped off. Yeah, that's not perfect, but I guess it's because I'm being quiet and then I'm talking that's making them bark. That's too long. I hate when it's too long like that. Let's tape the sides. It right there where I'm creasing it down, because I can't tape it down here. There's actually two things in here. And the box was still a little big for it, but okay, on this one I think I'm just going to do one this way. Sure, I have plenty here. these ends. So I like to just tie a simple shoelace bow. I think it looks pretty. It's easy to do. Anybody can do it. Even TJ can do this. I know she can. She'll try to make it look too perfect though, I think. You can see mine's not perfect. It's fine. And if you have like picks, like floral picks, you can put them like under the bow. You can even like hot glue them to the present if it's, you know, flopping around. But just kind of put a floral pick like under here, like some greenery or something. And yeah, hot glue it. I've got some on my tree. Let me see if I can grab a small one to show you. So just something simple, like some pretty greenery. Look at that. And if you're just sitting it under your tree, there's no reason to hot glue it unless it's flopping around, like I said. Now, if I ship that, it would probably get messed up. Just look what a difference that makes. I mean, it just makes it so special and pretty. But since I'm shipping it, I'm not doing that. But it would look very, very pretty. I don't know if it goes in the box, I may do that. Do one of them. But I think it looks really pretty. I wanted to make sure I had they both have pretty bows on them. So she has a couple of pretty presents under her tree. If she does a tree, it'll be just a little small tree, but it's nice to have a couple of presents there for you. They are. What do y'all think? All right, thanks for watching. So, you know, in December, sometimes I do gift wrapping tutorials or videos because that's what I'm working on. So I like to video what I'm working on. I hope everyone's doing well. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Happy mum making, happy crafting, happy gift wrapping, whatever you're doing. Merry Christmas. I hope to see y'all soon. I don't have any plans for a live anytime soon. I just have not been feeling good and been really tired. So I just haven't been able to fit it in. It's not that I haven't been able to do one. It's just that I just don't feel good to do one and to set it all up. Just filming something takes a lot. So, but I will jump back on those lives soon, I'm sure. So I hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for watching. Do all the YouTube-y things, as my friend Lindy says. And I will catch you all on the next one. Bye, you guys.